Hello all. I hope you're all doing fine. And I'm back with a new video. And the purpose of this video is answering one of the questions asked by our subscriber. And also, I'll be giving three stocks for swing trading for coming trading sessions. So you can have a look at these stocks and the stocks. I mean, the time frame will be like 10 to 12 trading sessions. So I'll explain, each and every aspect why I'm selecting the stocks and how I select stocks for, swing trading. And also, I'll explain you some of the patterns. And also, I'll explain you the indicators uh, and also how I analyze, swing trading stocks and buy them. Okay. So if you are having any questions related to your stocks, so we are conducting a Q&A series. So you can comment below this video your respective stocks, and I will try my best to give answers to your queries. So the question was asked by Ravi, one of our subscriber. He has asked three stocks, and it's purely my opinion. Okay. There is before that I want to disclose that this is not any buy or any sell recommendation. It's just for education purpose, so that you guys can learn and you also follow the same thing while uh, picking the stocks for swing trading. So the question was asked stating three of the stocks, that is VGuard, Container Corporation, and Asian Paints. He was like asking a doubt like whether my view is bullish or not on these stocks, and can these stocks give 5% of move. And also he asked me that can I suggest some of the stocks which within 5 to 10 or 12 trading sessions, which can give at least 5% of the returns. So I'm trying my best to give explanation on the stocks. And regarding the time frame that when the targets will be achieved, see, in the market we cannot say that okay, within 5 trading sessions this will be completed. So the main thing is it can take 10 trading sessions or it can take 13 trading sessions. Okay. So until our stop loss gets hit, we are not going to come out of the trade. Okay. That's the one thing. And so suppose our time frame is 1 month, or suppose our time frame is uh, 12 trading sessions or 13 trading sessions, and the stock is not showing any kind of momentum, then yes, will be coming out of the stock and we'll be trying to see the opportunities. Okay. So that's how I personally manage my swing trades. Okay. So let us discuss how I select the stocks and how I analyze them. The first stock would be VGuard. So first thing, what I'll do is whenever I want to take any trade on a stock, VGuard, I just see the fundamentals. So how I see the fundamentals? Okay, let me go here. So this is a money control website, and if you search any stock, I just now I searched VGuard. You see here. So here many information will be available for you, but uh, what needs to be looked at is, that's what I will explain. So the first thing you have to look at is strengths. Okay. So the basic rule is the strengths should be greater than the weakness. Now in this case, strengths of VGuard is 9, weakness is 6. Okay. Opportunity is 1, threat is 1. That is fine. So let us see what are the strengths. Effectively using shareholder fund, return on equity improving since last 2 years. So these are the thing. Company with low debt, increasing revenue every quarter for the past 3 years, annual net profits improving from last 2 years, book value per share improving for last 2 years, company with zero promoter pledge. I like this type of companies. Okay. So what is the weakness? So one second. Yeah. So the weakness is companies with growing cost year on year for long-term projects. So promoter holding decreased by more than -2% quarter on quarter. and promoter decreasing their shareholding, declining net cash flow. So these are some of the problems or any kind of weaknesses. However, the strengths are more than the weakness. That shows me a positive sign to go ahead with the stock and to trade in this. Okay. So now coming up to the charts. Okay. First, what I'll see is the overall trend of the market. Okay. I'll go to 1 day time frame. I'll see whether the stock is in uptrend or downtrend. So now if I see VGuard, see the stock is in a perfect uptrend, and also see this. This is a all-time high. It has broken the all-time high, and however it came down, and it's kind of a retesting the this support line. Okay. So now if I see, if I go to, I'll go to see whenever I want to take a swing trade, I'll go to 1 hour time frame. Okay. Now if I go to 1 hour time frame, I see here one of a pattern is forming, that is bullish flag or bullish pennant, we call it. Okay, you can call it anything. Okay, so bullish flag or bullish pennant. This is something which I look. So now, okay. So this is a kind of a bullish flag or bullish pennant pattern. Now the range is becoming narrow, and also the stock is at perfect support. Okay. Now what will happen in this? So there is a large chances that this might get broken and you'll be getting a good upside move. So now what we have to do, I mean, where we have to take a trade. So now when we have to take a trade is simple. When this line gets broken, that is 264.85, when this is broken, we're gonna buy this and we'll be taking up to 5% or whatever your targets is. But make sure that you are choosing the target reasonably. Like 5% is very reasonable, and if you are expecting 8%, that is also reasonable. Don't expect 40%, 50%, 60%. That's not going to happen within 10 to 12 trading sessions. So 5 or 8 is a you can say a good reasonable targets. Okay. So where will be our stop loss? So simple, the stop loss will be somewhere around here. So this one, this will be our stop loss. So minimum stop loss and maximum targets. That is how I select the stock. Okay. Now again, what I see is, so I use two types of indicators. One is trend indicator. Second is momentum indicator. So the trend indicators, there are many trend indicators like moving averages, but I personally use super trend. Okay. Super trend is suggesting me to buy. Okay. That's, see, indicator is just for your reference point. Okay. So the main thing is the overall trend of the stock, just like which we saw at 1 day time frame. So the stock is in an uptrend. Okay. And also if you see here, the pattern is bullish. So what we can say is, now see here, the super trend is showing me buy, and RSI. So RSI is at 44. Okay. Which is a good, so I mean, slowly the stock is getting a momentum. Okay. So just you can keep an eye on the stock. So as Ravi asked, so can this stock generate 5% returns over 10 to 12 trading session? For answer this question, yes. Please hold the stock and you'll be getting your targets very soon. However, if one trading session more or less, don't just sell it off. Give it some time, okay, to prove itself. Then only you make a decision of exiting from the stock. Okay, so this is a first view on the VGuard. So second thing is Concor. So Concor is Container Corporation. So Container Corporation, as I said, first I'll check. 1 second. I'll check the fundamentals. So this is not important, but it's good that you check what kind of company we are investing. So Container Corporation, Looks are very tricky here. Like strengths are 4, weaknesses are more. See here, trend is also bearish. Okay, so it's kind of giving me a caution. However, let me see the charts. Okay, I'll make a final decision on based on charts. So let me see a 1 day time frame. So 1 day time frame, what it is showing. Okay, all right. So the stock is in uptrend. See this. This has broken its all-time high. That is 660. One second. Okay, 664 level. Okay. Okay, fine, fine. So it came back to 661. All right, no problem. However, the channel, the pattern which is forming, let me go to 1 hour time frame. All right. Okay, so if you see here, the pattern is falling channel. Okay, so falling channel is kind of a bullish pattern. However, just don't enter this trade unless it breaks this level, that is 690 levels. So let this stock break its pattern and come out, then only you try to invest or you try to trade in this stock. Okay, so because the fundamentals are not looking good, uh, the trend which is like at 668, there was a strong support, and it was broken. If you see the all-time highs, so when I go to one hour time, sorry, 1 day time frame, so see here, so 666, so 666 was a strong was a kind of a support. It has broken that. So I'll be very careful with the stock, and I'll enter only when I get a buy signal, or I mean, if it crosses 668 or 670 levels. Okay, sorry, 15 minute I opened. Okay, so this video going to be a little bit long, so please do watch it till end so that you get an idea. So I'll also see this what trend indicator is showing. So trend indicator is clearly showing sell, and also RSI is very low. That means there is no strength. So I'll be very careful with the stock. Let the stock prove itself. Let the stock come above 670 and sustain. Then only I'll try to enter. Otherwise, there are many good companies which I can check. All right. So for me, in my setup, this stock is not getting a fit. However, the channel also, however, the pattern is good, but all the other criteria is not looking that much good. So this stock has to prove itself. It has to come at 670 above levels. Then only I will enter the trade. All right. Okay. The next stock, Asian Paints. Yeah, so we don't need to talk and much about Asian Paints is a very good company. We don't need to check the fundamentals also. However, let us see a longer time frame. What is the trend? That is overall trend on the one day time frame. Okay, so if I see here, it's a perfect uptrend. The stock is in a good uptrend, and also it has broken its all-time high, that is 2868, and we're trading well above it. Okay, so my first conviction was yes. Okay, the stock is in good uptrend, so I can proceed further. Okay, so this is also a kind of a falling channel pattern, and now that where will be our targets. So yeah, if you, as you said, wait for few trading sessions. As you said, you will be getting your targets of 5% in 10 to 12 trading sessions. However, if you are already uh, enter the trade, so hold on. And so where will be our stop loss? Stop loss will be somewhere around 1 second. Okay, Where is the strong support? Okay. This is so 2932. 2932 is our stop loss because maximum support is there. Okay. So this will be our stop loss and the targets will be your 5%. So you mark from here 5%. Nice. So you can take the targets of 3,100 roughly. So just it has to give a breakout and you'll see a good momentum. And the time frame which you said that is 5 to 10 trading sessions, I don't think so. That will happen in that. However, you have to give it 1 month for that. So but the stock is very good. You can hold till 1 month to get that kind of returns. So and also there is a crude oil price hikes which is going on, that kind of impacts its Asian Paints performance. So just hold the stock, okay, for 1 month, and you'll be getting your targets. Okay. So as you see here, super trend is saying sell, but however, it takes matter of second to change. And also, if you see, there is a good strength in the stock, and so you can buy the stock. There is no issue with this. So this stock fits in my trading setup. Okay, so these are the three stocks which one of our subscriber asked. I hope I've given you the best answer possible. So as I stated, work on the patterns and the maintain your strict stop loss and trade accordingly. Okay, so now I'm going to give you a few stocks, so which can give as I stated, it's which can give 5% in 10 to 12 trading sessions, as well as with the detailed explanation on the patterns. Okay, so the first stock is Shakti Pump. Shakti Pump. Okay, what is happening in here is, let me go to, so as I said, first I will be checking the little bit fundamentals. So let me see how this stock is performing in the fundamentals. Okay, so as you can see, 8 strengths, 2 weaknesses, opportunities are 4, threat is 1. Okay, so this is kind of a fundamentals are showing a good strength, so that I can trade in this stock. Let me go to 1 day time frame. I'll see what is the trend. So what is the trend here? Can you see? It's a perfect uptrend, right? See here. The stock crossed its all-time high here, and again it's taking good support. Now let us go to 1 hour time frame. So here one kind of a pattern is forming. That is, you can say it's a cup and handle pattern. Okay. So 1 second. So this is a cup and handle pattern. All right. And where will be our stop loss? The stop loss is here. That is 833.70. And our targets will be 967.80. All right. So I'll also check what is the trend indicator and momentum indicator stating. Trend indicator, okay, it's a buy. All right. And RSI. RSI is, wow, it's 67. Nice. So there is a good strength in this stock. So this stock fits perfectly in my setup. So I'll be going on taking in trade in this. And as I stated, you can check out the targets and the stop loss, okay, for this pattern. So this is how overall I view stocks for swing trade. Let us go to another stock, that is Just Dial. All right, Just Dial. Let me see the fundamentals again. And once again. Okay, Just Dial. Okay. So company with no debt, okay, 6 strengths, 9 weakness, 3 opportunities, 3 threats. Okay. So overall trend is very bullish. All right, no problem. So fundamentals are little bit oakish, or you can say, however, we are obsessed with the trend. Let me see charts, what charts are speaking. So one day. So let me go. Okay. So the stock is perfectly in uptrend. All right. So let me go to 1 hour time frame. So if you see this pattern, this is called a typical ascending triangle pattern. See here. So this is called ascending triangle pattern. Okay. So this stock is perfectly taking support here, and we have to see how many touches it happens. See, the basically any zone or any is it a resistance or a support? The more time it touches, the weaker it becomes. You have to keep this in this point in view. So let us see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this has given 5 touches, okay, on the upper side. So this resistance trend line become weakened. So here 1, 2, 3, only 3 times. 3 times this has taken support in this trend line. So there are more chances that the stock reverses from here and it will break this, resistant trend line. Okay. So what will be our targets? Targets will be 1271.55. So where will be our stop loss? Stop loss will be simply here. That is 989. If the stock goes below this, just we will be exiting off. Okay. So the pattern, if you have understood, now let us see what my indicators are stating. Okay. So super trend is saying buy, and RSI is at 43, which is okay, which is not, not in a weaker zone. Okay. So the setup is good. So what I gonna do is, so I gonna trade in this, and with my strict stop loss and with the targets. So one thing I want to say here, that uh, no one is 100% right. Okay. uh, so so even the people with 10 years, 20 years will be like, they will be gone, they will be going wrong. However, just if you are wrong, please accept that and try to take your stop loss. Don't catch the trade and sit and fight with the market that I cannot be wrong. That's not a correct sign. You have to accept your mistakes. Okay, if it is not your mistake and your stop loss gets hit, even then you have to accept that. Okay. So please keep in mind the stocks which I'm giving. It's there is no there is no any buy recommendation or any sell. I'm just giving you for your education purpose, that how that ascending triangle patterns. I just want to educate you on the patterns, as well as my trading setup, how I trade. So how I see the stock and what are the points which I see. So as I stated here, this stock is looking very bullish, and the targets will be upcoming in the 5 to 10 trading sessions. Okay. So the next last stock is Barbecue Nation. Okay. Yeah. So Barbecue Nation Hospitality. Let us go to okay. 5 strengths, 6 weakness, 3 opportunities, 2 threats. Overall trend is bullish. Okay, good. Let me see 1 day time frame. This is a recent listing, so we don't have much data. Over the whatever data is available, that's more than enough. All right. So if you see here, it's a kind of a uptrend. All right. Let me go to 1 hour time frame here. So if I see, this is kind of forming a bullish flag or bullish pennant. Okay. So this is very this is kind of a very good pattern which you can rely. All right. So the where will be our targets? Targets will be somewhere around the so you have to just mark, take this level. Okay. So this is the length of the flag, sorry, pole. You have to just keep that like this. So this has become very narrow. So you can expect good momentum in the stock. So the next targets will be for this is 1233, which can come. So what is, let us see how much percentage it is. That is from here. Okay, that's very huge. That is 26%. However, 5% you can take in this, and you can trail if you want. Okay. So where 5% comes. So the next immediate target you can expect is 980. 980. Okay. So with the stop loss, what is the stop loss? Stop loss so is 1 second. Okay, this is a perfect stop loss. That is 812 rupees. This can keep as your stop loss, and you can work in this. Okay. Yeah. So 812 will be your stop loss. Targets will be 980. So let us see what super trend is saying. Super trend is saying to buy, and RSI is showing okay. It's in strength mode only. It hasn't crossed 40. So yes, this stock is fitting in my trading setup. So yes, I will be going ahead and looking for a trade in this, and I'll be expecting a targets within the 10 to 12 trading sessions. Okay. So these are the few stocks which I reviewed for you, and also I have reviewed how I what is my setup, how I review the stocks and take a trade. So I hope this video might have helped you in gaining some of the knowledge if possible. Okay. So I'll be bringing you similar content going forward. If you are having any questions regarding any stock, uh, you know uh, just try doing the way which I just spoke, or else if you want me to analyze, you can comment down in the comment section, and I'll be looking at the stocks, and I'll be trying to give you the clear picture what's going on the stock in the upcoming next week, that is on Saturday. Okay. So I hope you have liked my content. Please share this with your friends so that they can also learn uh, the concepts of trading, and they can also earn some with the strategies. Okay. Thank you so much for all the support you have given. I hope you'll help us grow. We'll bring you more content in future. Stay tuned, and thank you for all the support. Bye bye.